Injection mold design fundamentals, part 11. Advanced injection mold technologies, hot runner optimization, valve gate systems, step molds, multi-component molding, gas assisted molding, conformal cooling, industry 4.0. Imagine producing twice the number of parts using the same injection molding machine. Imagine eliminating a runner waste completely. Imagine recycling time. Imagine reducing cycle time by 30%. Imagine producing perfect Class A automotive parts with almost invisible gate marks. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Modern injection mold technology has completely transformed plastics manufacturing. Today, you will learn about the technologies used by leading mold makers around the world. Whether you are a mold designer, plastic processor, entrepreneur, engineering student or factory owner, this video will show you where the future of injection molding is heading. Hello friends, I am Amit and you are watching Plastic Industry YouTube channel. If you are passionate about mold design, plastic processing, automation, manufacturing and business opportunities, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon and share this video. Let's explore the future of mold making. Imagine two mold shops. One still uses conventional cold runner molds. The other one uses advanced mold technologies. Both start work at 8 a.m. By evening, one has produced 15,000 components. The other has produced 25,000 components with lower rejection, less material waste and reduced labor cost. This difference is technology. Why modern mold technology matters? Today's manufacturers demand faster production, better quality, lower cycle time, reduced material waste, low power consumption, fully automated production. Meeting these demands requires more than a well-designed mold. It requires advanced technology. Hot runner optimization. A hot runner system keeps plastic molten inside the runner using heated manifolds and nozzles. What are the advantages? No runner waste, lower material consumption, faster cycles, better aesthetics, easier automation. The challenge is higher initial investment. It costs you money. Temperature control is critical. More complex maintenance. Valve gate system, another technology which improves productivity. Valve gates use a mechanical pin to open or close the gate precisely. Benefits: no gate vestige, better cosmetic appearance, reduced stringing, sequential cavity filling, improved dimensional consistency. Widely used in automotive bumpers, medical products, consumer electronics, packaging. Next technology is stack molds. Instead of one parting line, stack molds use two or more molding levels. This means one machine can produce twice as many parts in a single cycle. The benefits: increased productivity, better machine utilization, reduced cost per component. What are the applications? Food containers, thin walled packaging, disposable products. Here you will see that using stack mold, productivity has increased many times. Next is multi-component, 2-color, 3-color injection molding system. 2-shot molding combines different materials or colors in one component. Examples include toothbrushes, power tool handles, automotive interiors, soft touch grips, medical devices. Benefits: fewer assembly operations, better aesthetics, improved product functionality. Next technology we will discuss is gas assisted injection molding. After partial filling, nitrogen gas is injected into the melt. The gas forms hollow sections within thick parts. Advantages: reduced shrink marks, lower part weight, better stiffness, less warpage, reduced material usage. Common applications include furniture, automotive handles, and thick structural components. Conformal cooling. Traditional cooling channels are drilled in straight lines. Conformal cooling follows a exact shape of the cavity, often produced by metal additive manufacturing. Benefits: uniform cooling, reduced cycle time, lower warpage, better dimensional accuracy, improved productivity. This is one of the biggest advancement in modern mold design. Industry 4.0 in injection molding. This is very important. The trend is towards this. Modern molds can include sensors that monitor cavity pressure, temperature, cooling efficiency, cycle count, and vibration. Data is sent to digital dashboards for real-time monitoring. Benefits: predictive maintenance, better process control, reduced cycle time, reduced downtime, improved traceability. Automation and robotics. Robots are increasingly used for part removal, insert loading, in-mold leveling, quality inspection, packaging. Automation reduces labor dependency and improves consistency. Sustainable molding technologies. Future-ready molds focus on energy-efficient hot runners, lightweight part design, recyclable materials, bio-based polymers, lower scrap generation, faster production with reduced energy consumption. Sustainability is becoming a competitive advantage. India's opportunity in this context. India is rapidly becoming a global manufacturing hub with initiatives like Make in India and growing demand for automotive, electronics, medical devices, packaging, and consumer goods. There is tremendous scope for precision mold manufacturing, hot runner integration, medical molds, multi-component molds, export-oriented tool rooms. This is an excellent opportunity for entrepreneurs and skilled engineers. So friends, let us conclude what we have learned today. Advanced mold technology is no longer optional. It is becoming essential for global competitiveness. Companies that invest in innovation, automation, precision engineering, and skilled manpower will lead the next generation of manufacturing. Key takeaways from this discussion today we had: hot runners eliminate runner waste, valve gates improve cosmetic quality, stack molds multiply production, multi-component molding combines materials in one process, gas-assisted molding reduces weight and sink marks, conformal cooling shortens cycle time and improves quality. Industry 4.0 enables smart molds and predictive maintenance. Thanks for watching. Please comment, share, like, follow, subscribe, and press that bell icon, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Namaskar.